Hello everyone! It is a truly wonderful day to welcome you back to QA Online Academy. I hope you're all having a fantastic day and are ready to dive deep into your Python journey today. Before we jump into today's topic, please make sure you've thoroughly reviewed our previous masterclass on string methods. Mastery takes time, and those 45 methods are the key to your automation foundations. Today, we are exploring Python Booleans. This is the essence of decision-making in programming, allowing our automated test scripts to evaluate conditions as either true or false. Booleans represent the logic of our code. In Python, every comparison, like checking if 10 is greater than 9, returns one of two results, true or false. This simple evaluation allows us to verify data accuracy throughout our test scripts. This logic is most powerful in if statements. By evaluating a condition, Python can decide which specific path of code to execute. For example, we can print a message only if a variable meets a certain criteria, effectively controlling our automation flow. But what if we want to check the truth value of a specific piece of data? For that, we use the built-in bool function, which can evaluate any value or variable. The bool function is incredibly versatile. Whether you're evaluating a raw string, a number, or a dynamic variable, Python will return its logical state. Most objects with content are true, while empty ones are false. To use Booleans effectively, you need to understand what makes a value true or false. Python follows a very consistent and intuitive set of rules. Generally, almost any value is true if it has content. Any non-empty string, number other than 0, or a populated list or dictionary will evaluate to true. This allows us to quickly check if our data has been successfully retrieved. On the other hand, empty values like none, 0, empty strings, or empty lists are all false. You can even define custom objects that return false if their length is 0, giving you total control over your validation logic. We can also integrate this logic into our own functions. This is a common practice when building complex verification steps in an automation framework. Your functions can return a Boolean result to signal success or failure. Additionally, Python provides tools like the isInstance function, which is perfect for verifying that an object is of the correct data type before you proceed with testing. Now it's your turn to put your logic to the test. Please open PyCharm on your computer right now and get ready for a coding exercise. Look at this syntax. We are printing the comparison of 5 and 3. What will the result be? You have 10 seconds to find the answer starting now. And here is the answer. Since 5 is indeed greater than 3, Python evaluates this as true. I'm sure you all mastered this logical step. Excellent work. You've just mastered the logic that powers Python decisions. This foundational knowledge will make your automation scripts much more intelligent. In our next masterclass, we'll explore Python operators, where we'll combine everything we've learned so far. You definitely won't want to miss it. Until then, go back through the previous chapters and practice these methods at home in your free time. Consistency is the secret to mastering Python. Please join our community, subscribe to the channel, and leave your feedback below. Thank you for learning with us at QA Online Academy. Happy coding!